We're going to make a box plot using Excel. It has to be in one of the newer versions. I think anything newer than the 2013 should be fine, but it does have that as an option. So here's my data. There's 100 test scores, right? Yep, 100 test scores. And I want this split up into a box plot, which means it's going to find the quartiles, minimum, the maximum, and the median. But let's just go do it. First thing is highlight the data, all of the data. And with all the data highlighted, we're going to go to Insert. And then I always pick this Recommended Charts. And it has all the charts in there, but you're going to click that All Charts button. And a box plot, they call it a box and whisker plot. We will forgive them for that. And there it is. So let's click OK. Now it's kind of short and squishy, but we could move it, and let's make it bigger so you can see a little bit more definition there. Bam! And there is a box plot with a maximum of 100 and minimum of about 25 or something. There's the median about 55. Quartile 3 is about 80. Quartile 1 is about 38. So that's it. Pretty easy cheesy. MGZ out.